Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique. Today we're going to see a super fantastic puzzle Instagram reel, how to create a puzzle Instagram reel like this. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below and we just quickly move on to the video.
So to get the puzzle filter, you just open the Instagram reel tab, and after opening the reel tab, click on the effect option here. So after clicking the effect option, you just want to click on the search and just type as puzzle. So you can find this puzzle filter effect. What I'm talking about is in the first show third column. So this filter, exactly this filter, make the viral and trending reel. More than a 4 lakhs of reels had been created using this particular filter, which was so trending and gives more lot of views and likes and follows for many Instagram accounts. So you can also add a media here, and you can click on the 3x4 or 4x4 or 5x5, how many slides that you want. You can make the puzzle for 3x4 or 4x4 or 4x5. You can choose it from down. So this was super amazing filter. You just try it, it was viral and trend. You can click here and you can see this who created this filter, and you can also see the view effect, the page effect page. So there were most created filters and more created views from this filter page here. So you just try this filter and to get more views and follows on Instagram.
Friends, if you find this content very useful, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and share this video with your friends and like this video below. And we will meet on our next valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique.